Welcome back to Low Guido's Chop Shop, the second best Gel Blaster channel on tubes. If you're like me, you've bought a lot of fake ACOG sites and you've probably seen some really bad fake OGs. I've had my fair share of bad ACOG, fake OGs, and this box, whatever that is, what is that? Looks like the Grundig logo. This is hopefully not one of them. This is a fake OG. Brought to you care of AliExpress, of course. There is a crazy amount of literature in this, but there it is, it's upside down. And let's get this thing out of the packet. Oh, don't eat that. And let's have a close look at this fake OG. Oh, there it is. It's got branding on it. R for registered trademark. Clearly no one cares about that. Does it say Trijicon ACOG contains tritium? Sure it doesn't. Not this one. Purchaser is exempt from any regulatory responsibility. Cool story, bro. Yeah, right, cool. This does have the optic fiber on the top there, which is what illuminates your reticle. Speaking of the reticle, I will try and I'll try and get some sort of shot looking through the reticle. That never works, but I'll try it anyway. Okay, this never works, but let's see. Oh. Maybe you can see that. Yes, well, if you can see it, that chevron is it's illuminated by the optic fiber on top, so that's some crazy. So if I cover that up, goes out, remove my hand, all of a sudden it lights up like magic. That's pretty cool. No power, no batteries. Well, you probably can't see it. The reticle is really nice and crisp when you look through it. The front here, however, I don't know if you can see this. Just looking through the front there, it just looks scungy. I don't know the quality of these lenses or the assembly of it or whatever. I guess it's what you expect for a Chinese fake OG. Having said that, it's still probably the best of the fake OGs that I've come across. I've bought some cheap crap. Haven't we all? But yeah, like not too bad. I like this optic fiber. That's pretty cool. And I think this one's got 4x. Yeah, 4x magnification. So yeah, probably a little bit excessive for a blaster, but it is a nice solid unit, and I do think out of all the fake ACOGs, the fake OGs that I've purchased, this one does seem to be the best one that I have seen. So So I throw that out there for you. As always, I'll put links down to where this came from so you know what to buy, or perhaps even what not to buy. I mean, if you really like the look of the ACOG, if it's just the look you're after, there are cheaper ones than this available. However, they're crustier than this one, so it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to contact me if you want to buy a patch, and buy me a coffee. Please buy me a coffee. Support this channel. I want to do what I can for you guys. It helps every bit. Alright, catch you later.